Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with finding a mascara that truly lifts every single lash, or a foundation that gives you that flawless natural matte look without feeling heavy, then you're going to want to stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review that helps you make informed beauty choices. So today, we're looking at the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara paired with the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, a bundle designed to give you full fan lashes and a smooth, natural-looking complexion. Let's break down what this duo promises and see if it actually delivers. The Lash Sensational Mascara features an exclusive fanning brush with 10 layers of bristles, designed to reach every lash from root to tip. Its goal is to create that layered spa full fan effect without clumping, and it's ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers. On the foundation side, Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless offers medium coverage across 40 shades, specifically formulated for normal to oily skin. It aims to refine pores and leave a natural matte finish, giving you that "I woke up like this" vibe. Testing this bundle in my daily routine was actually quite enjoyable. The mascara brush is flexible and separates the lashes beautifully, giving real volume without any heaviness or flaking throughout the day. It doesn't smudge or clump, even after several hours, which is a huge win for anyone with oily eyelids or long days. As for the foundation, it glides on smoothly with either a brush or sponge, blending seamlessly into the skin. My pores looked refined, and the finish stayed matte without feeling cakey or overly dry. One thing I love is how easy both products are to layer with other makeup. The mascara pairs perfectly with Maybelline's Master Precise eyeliner or their eyeshadow palettes for a complete eye look, while the foundation works well under powders or highlighters without disturbing the finish. On the flip side, if you're prone to very dry skin, you might need a hydrating primer under the Fit Me foundation to avoid accentuating texture. Pros? The mascara's brush design is phenomenal for achieving a full lash effect, and it's gentle enough for sensitive eyes. The foundation has an impressive shade range and offers buildable medium coverage that looks natural. Both products are long-wearing and reliable. Cons? For very dry skin types, as I mentioned, the foundation might require extra hydration. Also, the mascara's fanning brush takes a tiny bit of practice if you're used to simpler wand shapes. In terms of value, this bundle is well priced. You're essentially getting two reliable staples that can cover both your base and eye makeup needs without breaking the bank. Compared to other drugstore mascaras, Lash Sensational really stands out for its brush innovation and clump-free volume. Fit Me Foundation competes strongly with other medium coverage formulas, offering a wider shade selection than many in the same price range. The packaging is classic Maybelline, sturdy, functional, and travel-friendly. The mascara tube feels solid in the hand, and the foundation bottle with the screw cap keeps product from leaking. Both products maintain performance over multiple uses, and the foundation shelf life is typical for liquid formulas, around 12 months after opening. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Maybelline's customer service has a solid reputation for responsiveness if you ever have shade or formula questions, which adds peace of mind when trying new products from them. If you're on a tighter budget, L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise and their True Match Foundation are solid alternatives that provide comparable volume and coverage, though I personally find Maybelline's fanning brush slightly more precise. Overall, this Lash Sensational and Fit Me bundle delivers exactly what it promises. You get volumized, clump-free lashes, and a natural matte complexion that's easy to wear every day. It's perfect for anyone with normal to oily skin, looking for reliable, drugstore quality staples, and for lash lovers craving a full fan effect. Thanks so much for watching, beauties. If you've tried this bundle, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab it is in the comments or description box. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.